Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. Today I will be reviewing and testing out Google Bard. This is the newest AI chatbot from Google, and you can access this at bard.google.com, and I'll leave the link down below. And here's the dashboard. So let's enter in something, how to code, and let's submit. And this is real time. So here you can see it gave the answer right here, how to code. Pretty comprehensive. So this is more like ChatGPT with the AI chatbot, and I'll make a comparison later on between Bard and ChatGPT and do some other comparisons like article generation, which one is better, which one can bypass the AI content detection tools. Okay, so let's do another chat, and I'm gonna ask Bard to write me a 1,000 word article on how to use WordPress in 2023. So it's fairly quick, and I like that it is formatted with like bolded words, and each section there's a heading and with bullet points. So this is a nicer format than ChatGPT. Okay, so I pasted this in article in word counter, and it only counted 667 words, so it didn't give me exactly at least 1,000 words. So let me tell it to give me at least 1,000 words to be more specific. Okay, there it is. Let's submit. Alright, let me see if this is actually 1,000 words or it got cut off from this article. So let me see if I can continue it. So I will tell it to continue writing the article, and let's see if that happens. Okay, so apparently there is more to the article, and here are the additional WordPress tips. Paste it there, and let's see. Okay, so it is over 1,000 words, which is great. It listened to me. Pretty impressed with it. Let's do another chat, and let's see if it can write me an article on a news topic. This is something that ChatGPT cannot do unless you're using the upgraded ChatGPT Plus account with some plugins. So you need plugins in order to get new information, but even then it's not that reliable. So let's see if Bard can do better with like new topics or news topics. Alright, so this news topic just happened about a couple hours ago, where the DOJ is suing SpaceX for discrimination in their hiring practices. So here it is. Write a news article that happened today about the US government suing SpaceX. Okay, it worked beautifully. It's fast, and it is writing current topics. So I am very happy so far. Working faster than ChatGPT, and the quality of the results is also better. It can write faster and with current information and data, because after all, Google has a search engine and Bard has access to this information. So this is definitely can be a ChatGPT killer, and I highly recommend it. It's free, at least for now, so go check it out. I'll leave the link down below, and stay tuned for more of my AI videos. Thanks so much, and have a great day.